Welcome back to Autoverse Global. Today, we're taking a closer look at this bold and powerful American-style semi-truck, finished in a striking glossy red and displayed right here inside a professional showroom.
Starting at the front, this truck features a wide, aggressive grille, modern headlights, and a strong stance that immediately communicates power and confidence. The high-roof sleeper cab adds both height and a premium road presence.
From the side, the truck shows a smooth and aerodynamic design, combined with solid body lines and a balanced proportion. The dual rear wheels are built for stability and heavy-duty performance, making this truck both functional and visually impressive. Looking closer at the details, the wheels, mirrors, and lighting elements are designed for durability and daily commercial use. Every component reflects a focus on strength, safety, and reliability.
Want a review of your favorite car or truck? Contact us on WhatsApp at 0341 5296 955.
Inside the cab, the driver gets a clean and modern workspace. The dashboard layout is simple and practical. The steering wheel feels solid, and all controls are positioned for comfort during long driving hours. Behind the driver's seat, the sleeper cab provides valuable resting space. This makes the truck ideal for long-distance routes where comfort and convenience are essential. At the rear, this truck features a clean chassis layout with no trailer or cargo attached. This cab-only configuration allows flexibility for different trailer options depending on transport needs. Overall, this red American semi-truck delivers an excellent combination of power, comfort, design, and practicality. It's a strong choice for professionals who value performance, reliability, and road presence. That's it for today's review on Autoverse Global. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more detailed truck and car reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. If you want more information about this car or truck, message us on WhatsApp at 0341 5296 955.